This is Showbiz Buzz right here on IDEA TV with me, Sika Woman. You can call me your queen of jazz. Know that this is an interactive show, so you can get interactive with us via social media platforms at IDEA TV on Instagram, Twitter, and also on Facebook. Go on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't ever forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know anytime you put on a content there. You can also log on to ideashonline.com for your most credible and authentic news. Business news, political, international, global, entertainment, trending, celeb news. Nina Ekwa Ebenya Eho Hono. Yes, the new kid on the block. Sisiano, ono no biale kanu asem. Eya ne na sanfa black one to da onye hit. Epa ko bisa mrado. Epa ko bisa Sam Snake. Epa awo ko bisa epa da hita. Ida da be fe kwame si akwame ji ne bo so kaka. Enwa. But a fair black sherifa. Scan also so but a be value for money. Now, a member of the VGMA board, that is Vodafone Ghana Music Awards board, Waka Assembly about the young champ, and he's saying that Black Sherif as a new artist of the year isn't in contention. Yes, also it isn't in contention. Now, a member of the Vodafone Ghana Music Awards VGMA awards board, Francis Doku, has indicated that Black Sherif could be the only person contesting the New Artist of the Year award. To him, this cannot be contested by any quartet or artist ahead of this year's Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. He believes that Black Sherif has worked so hard and deserves to be appreciated with a coveted award. Francis Doku, who made this known in a tweet, said, "I am going to go on the limb to say that for the first time since Popular Music Awards started in Ghana, there could be only one person vying for the award for New or Breakthrough Artist of the Year, Black Sherif." Now, Black Sherif, as we all know, has given a good account of himself since coming on the music scene in 2021. His song Second Sermon has been a global hit, with Burna Boy featuring on the remix of the song. So, sad boys in the house, Mukaya who be a bounce. Atemuka unannounced out of the blue, your bias loud, and empire really tight cause seriously a fake. And then we didn't want to grow. My rap here, my manga, some Tibete. It's a blacko. I don't know how some in the air cano. Or Francis Doku, who happens to be a member of the VGMA board, or no, Wakade Chale. This year, VGMA achieves New Artist of the Year. New Artist of the Year. Blacko, or no Biampero. We all know this. I mean, we all know the guy has worked hard because within the year, need 2 songs. First Sermon 1 and then 2. Why a hater? Second Sermon, why a remix with international act Burna Boy, Grammy award winner Burna Boy. Who are Grammy Afabla me and shit. Nigeria I perform with Burna Boy and all. So the guy has worked hard. So I mean. This one, they don't even have to ask us to vote. But VGMA, we know you guys. We know them. VGMA, why don't anyone? Ye ni chroma ha. Ana one corner, one over today, one corner. La France Mission, Remission Coco. What the shine and answer what the command? This be the totally cheat. You must see my lawyer. Ye will chroma ha. I don't want nominating medical. 1 for 1 on pound coffee. You will come her. Anna 2021. VGMA4 was swerve kiddie. I'm a friend of young mobile, ne dressing a well, 1 massuina. I don't know, Obone no more through her coffee. Oh, coffee. Oh, you also quite different. Oh, coffee, okada. No, touch it, walk. Touch it simple, touch it simple, the sun and say, and no baby, bath for you, boy. My artist of the year award na man. Nti this year so I want so have a black sheriff I. Yes, you are higher back on one some. Oh, 1 year, I we are here. This one, 1 year, 1 year she. 1 year, 1 year she. Yan free and young Tony and call acting, kuma with her. Mammy fa, so movies ma. A two predictor that over to why and our character will play or movie him no. That mammy or can one play and yana or bear aswa. Why the yank crowing in your say. But most of the time now we young folk. Make other mammy and you know. Missing a character or play or moving him. Most of the time now, young and also there are Robashen or Washisha by heart. And your Monday. Oh no, now you call the camp of all Christian are winning. Yes, Mammy Christie. Mammy now you are. Obadiah, Remdia. What's that I say? You don't get it. If you don't get it, forget about it.